Valet Mode is a security feature in the Tesla Model 3 designed to protect your vehicle when lending it to valets, service centers, or others. It limits the car's top speed to 70 miles per hour or a user-set lower value enforced via the vehicle's ECU for safe operation. The mode locks the trunk, glove box, and frunk mechanically or electronically to secure belongings. It restricts access to personal data such as navigation history and autopilot settings to protect privacy. To activate Valet Mode on your Tesla Model 3, start by navigating to the touchscreen menu. Tap Controls, then Safety and Security. Then select Valet Mode. Next, set a custom PIN that you'll need to deactivate Valet Mode. Enter a 4 to 8-digit code. Now adjust the speed limit. The default is 70 miles per hour, which is 113 kilometers per hour. You can set it lower if desired. Toggle the lock options. Lock the trunk and glove box to secure your belongings. You can also choose to lock the frunk, which is the front trunk. Alternatively, you can activate Valet Mode remotely using the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, select your vehicle, and access the security settings to enable Valet Mode without being near the car. When Valet Mode is active, the Model 3's top speed is limited to your set value, up to 70 miles per hour. This is enforced by the car's ECU, preventing the driver from exceeding the limit. This feature is crucial for ensuring safe and controlled operation when someone else is driving your car. Valet Mode locks the Model 3's trunk and glove box, preventing unauthorized access to your belongings. The infotainment screen shows how to activate these locks, while the latch mechanism represents the physical security. To protect your privacy, Valet Mode disables features like autopilot, unless set to basic cruise control, home charging preferences, and data exports. This ensures that your personal information and settings remain private while others use your vehicle. To deactivate Valet Mode, you have two main options. First, enter the PIN directly on the vehicle's touchscreen. Second, use the Tesla mobile app for remote deactivation. If you've forgotten your PIN, don't worry. You can reset it through Tesla's customer support or by using an authenticated phone link for verification. As an additional security measure, Valet Mode will automatically deactivate after 7 days if it hasn't been reset manually. Tesla Model 3 owners frequently use Valet Mode in various real-world scenarios for added security and peace of mind. One common use is valet parking at events. For example, at the Monaco Grand Prix, Tesla owners activate Valet Mode to limit speed and lock storage areas, preventing theft while attendants park the car. Service center visits are another key scenario. At dealerships, owners enable Valet Mode to protect privacy by restricting data access and locking storage, ensuring mechanics focus on repairs without accessing personal information. Finally, car-sharing platforms like Turo benefit from Valet Mode. Owners activate it before rentals to enforce speed limits and lock compartments, reducing risks and providing peace of mind during shared use. Automotive security experts view Valet Mode as a best-in-class feature, particularly for its user-friendliness and software-based enforcement. Looking ahead, future enhancements may include biometric integration, autonomous parking features, and greater interoperability with Tesla's network. These advancements could incorporate advanced biometric systems for seamless access control. Autonomous parking would allow the vehicle to navigate and secure itself in valet situations. And neural network architectures could enhance detection and security features throughout the Tesla ecosystem.